So this video is going to be geared towards newer people that don't know yet how to self-custody their own cryptocurrency. Now, we have wallets of all different types. They have card NFC types. We have apps on our phones. We have hardware wallets that actually plug in via USB-C or whatever the case may be. There is a bunch of different types of wallets that you can actually download, purchase, or use, and some of them can be super intimidating. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you guys how to send your crypto from Coinbase to whichever wallet you guys decide to purchase. I'll give you my personal opinions on these wallets and tell you which one the best, in my opinion, is. Again, this is not a paid promotion for any of these wallets. This is literally just my personal opinion. I'm trying to help you guys out because I know I was completely lost when I first started. So let's get into it. All right, so before we get into this, I do have a beginner's guide video for crypto wallets in general. I will leave a link above if you guys are interested in that. I get into it a little bit more in depth. This video, I just want to show you guys more or less how to send your crypto and give you a few tips and tricks, as well as show you guys some crypto wallets so you guys can see right here. This is a wallet that I actually used as a beginner. It's called Trust Wallet. It's an app on your phone. You guys will download it. You'll open it up. You'll get a seed phrase that you need to keep. It'll be 12 to 24 words. I can't remember exactly how many words it is for Trust Wallet here, but this wallet, I treated it like my checking account. So if you guys are going to get into crypto mining, I'll leave another link above if you guys are interested in that. But crypto mining, I would mine to this wallet because it was just easy to receive and send it out. So like I could send it from this wallet to Coinbase and sell it for a profit, or I could, mine it to this wallet and send it to, say, a hardware device that would just hold my crypto long term, if that makes sense. So Trust Wallet, to be honest, is a very good option. They do have a desktop extension wallet that you guys can download as well, but personally, I would rather you do it on your phone. Any type of desktop wallet is always susceptible to attacks, especially if you're going to be using this as like your daily driver. I don't recommend you ever putting any type of crypto wallet on a daily driver, like if you're going to be searching the web, emails, all that stuff, because there can be malicious links and people can get into your stuff. But nonetheless, let's move on. So this is an app, right? Crypto wallet app. This one right here is personally my favorite wallet, and I do have a full setup guide for this thing. Again, this is not trying to shill this wallet. I just truly love it because there's a swap feature inside of it. It's an NFC crypto card where it communicates with your phone. You touch it to the back of it. It lets you in with your PIN code. So if you lose a card, you're not going to like lose your wallet, because if somebody doesn't know your PIN code, they can't get in anyway. So it's kind of like a debit card in that sense, right? And they add new coins every single month. As you guys can see, I know it's kind of might be new to you guys. A whole bunch of different coins here that are like speculative mineable coins that most of them actually aren't even on any exchanges yet, or any top tier exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, things along those lines. But these coins, typically you would have to get some sort of core wallet, which is a specific type of coding wallet that would be on your desktop. So nonetheless, these coins being added to Tangem, a cheap option, easy option for me to carry around and use every single day, is just mind-blowing to me. And I mean, again, it's stupid cheap to keep your stuff safe. So I totally recommend this wallet. Code CCXD for 10% off if you guys are interested. The other best option would be Ellipal. This would be like my next choice for a hardware wallet when it comes to being super secure, right? So this is more of a thing if you guys want your stuff to be in cold storage. Like, this thing is completely air gapped. It can't directly plug into your PC. It has some sort of proprietary plug that will actually go into the bottom of it, and then that plugs into your PC. So it kind of it can't be hacked, basically, right? It is completely secure. It is just a really good wallet, but there's a lot more to this than meets the eye, I guess. It's a little bit more intimidating for the newer person, so I'm not going to get too far into it. One thing I do recommend, and I actually mentioned it in the wallet beginner guide video, is this Ellipal seed phrase steel holder, right? I totally recommend you guys making sure you take your 24-word seed phrase and put it inside something like this, where it's waterproof, fireproof, it's just crush proof. Like, this thing is the best option to keep your stuff safe, to make sure you never forget that seed phrase, because your seed phrase is kind of like the combination to your safe. If you lose that, you ain't getting into it. You know what I mean? So be super cautious and careful, and pay attention to that video that I mentioned earlier. Now, last but not least, Ledger has a sweet spot in my heart, but at the same time they came out with some sharding BS, which is kind of like weird with your seed phrase, and I'm not going to get into it today, but I do personally use a ledger. This is my cold storage device that I've had crypto on for a long time, that's just in my safe and, you know, chilling until the day I need it. I'll take it out, plug it in, take my funds off. Nonetheless, this is a great option as well. I don't have a code for this, but Ellipal, I actually do have a code. CCXD gets you 10% off for that as well. But nonetheless, this is all good companies. Now we're over the crypto wallet stuff. Let's get into how the hell do I send my crypto out of Coinbase to these wallets. Now I'm going to click over here. This is my Coinbase account. Jump up to transfer. Now, I transfer my funds out every single time I purchase. You guys know I'm trying to purchase $100 in BTC, DCAing into it every single day. You're going to come over here, click transfer at the top. You're going to click send crypto, okay? When you see your Bitcoin available balance, you can see I only got $100 in here. I put $100 in today. I actually put a limit order in, and it actually wicked down, as you guys can see right here. Picked up my order, and it's back off. And I'm up $3, which is kind of cool. I guess actually $5 because it costs like $2.50 for the transaction. But nonetheless, what we're going to do now, once you get to this point, okay, you're going to have to go to your wallet. Now, your wallet, whichever one you decide to use, is going to have a send and receive just like this. So now, just for quick reference, this is my Tangem wallet. What we're going to do is choose BTC. Then you're going to click receiving address or receive. It's going to open up to your receiving address in a QR code. Then I recommend you copy and paste this by either highlighting the entire address or just click the little copy button and bring it over to your Coinbase. Once you're at your Coinbase, you're going to come here. You're going to paste that address right in here. Then you're going to choose the spot right below it because it's the same thing, right? You can see the last couple digits, 9S0Y5F. We're going to click that. Then it's going to have it in the to section. Now we're sending Bitcoin from our available balance over on Coinbase. I'm just going to choose maximum, and we're going to choose preview send. Now, once you're in the preview send section, what I highly recommend is you open up your Tangem wallet and hold the two addresses side by side and confirm that the address is exactly the same as the one you copy and pasted, just to make sure. And if this is your first time sending crypto, you've never done it before, what I highly recommend is you do a test transaction, burn the network fee of $2.75 to make sure your stuff gets there safely. Send like $10 first, and then you can send 100 or 1,000 or 10,000, whatever you want to do, but always send a small test transaction to make sure your things are good. Now I'm going to choose send now, and it's going to prompt my two-factor authentication. I need to get into my Authy app and pump in those numbers, and then it will release my funds. You guys can learn a little bit more about that in my other videos. Once you type in the two-factor authentication, it's going to take a second to actually send the funds, and then there you go. I have sent $99.66 because they took the fee out of the sending amount, and that's it. It should show up in my wallet in about 30 minutes. You guys can see this transaction usually takes about 30 minutes, and I will screenshot right here a little section. You can see it says pending on my Tangem wallet that the funds are actually being received. So there you go. Now you just wait, and the actual funds will be in your account in about 30 minutes to an hour. So that's going to do it. Hopefully you guys appreciated this video, and I hope it really does help some new people out sending and receiving crypto. I'm proud of you guys for taking the initiative to at least try and custody your own cryptocurrency. It's the best thing you can do, because remember, if you guys leave this on the exchange and your account gets hacked or the exchange goes down or something happens for some reason, guess what? Your funds are gone, or you can't trade for that amount of time. Also, I forgot to mention, the Tangem wallet actually has a sick swapping feature that I love. It works amazing, and it's the easiest way to buy Caspa, to be honest. So if you guys have any questions about that, leave in the comments below. And until next time, I'll catch you guys soon. Peace out.